Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. Today we are looking at Make One. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you learn to knit the easy way. Do subscribe if you're not subscribed already. You can just click the link below and hit the little bell so that you will be notified when I put up a new video. That is every Tuesday, every week. Right, today we are looking at Make One. So it's a demo video today, and you can get a little bit, well, I know I can, it's possible to get over worried about whether you're doing Make One in the right way. And there are more ways of making one stitch if you're in the middle of a row and you need to increase. And you can make them look fancy and make them look interesting, but if you're just starting out and you're a beginner knitter, basically need one technique, and I'm going to show you that today. I'm going to show you how to make one while you're knitting. Alright, let's get to it. So I'll show you how we increase, and by increasing stitches usually you will have in the pattern the abbreviation M1, which means make one. So here we go. I'm going to knit 3 stitches, and then I'm going to show you this little loop here, which sits in between the 2 stitches from the previous row. So that little step of the ladder there. And you want to look at this ladder and put it on your needle, on your left hand needle. So from the front, you move your left hand needle over that. And then you put your right hand needle into the back of that stitch. So effectively you can see that we're actually twisting that. And once you knit it, you can see that you've got a twisted stitch there. You've twisted that little step of the ladder, and you've knitted it. If you continue to knit, if I just do 3 more stitches, you will see that that looks neat there. In between those first 3 and the last 3 stitches, you can see that little one that we've made there. Well, I hope that was helpful for you. Just a demonstration about increasing your stitches. If you're a beginner knitter, this is really the only technique that you need to learn to start with. Okay, I hope you'll join me next week. Do subscribe below. You will find lots of videos on my playlists in my channel, and go and have a binge watch as if you're on Netflix. I'll find you all sorts of little things. One playlist that I do suggest is Beginner Knitters 101. If this is your first time doing Make One, then go and have a look at all the other demos that I suggest for beginner knitters as well. Right, I hope I'll see you again next week. Next Tuesday I'll be putting out another video. Bye for now, happy knitting!